This is new Edimax router. This is a N series and it has a two antenna, and the model of this one is BR6226N. The new feature on this router is the wireless schedule. This is the interface and almost the same with the other router. You can see wireless. These the new features. Wireless scheduling. Click next. You can schedule your wireless. You can select this one. Sunday. Depends on you what you want to schedule. This is the new features. Okay. This is the main page of Edimax. Mostly Edimax it's look like this. I will going to explain to you on the wireless side. And the first one is basic. Click next. This is the default settings of the router. It's on AP. AP means access point. You can select to point means two routers are communicating. You can select, if you select this one point to point, you can input the MAC address of the other router, and if you select this as bridge point multipoint, this is your root base or your main router. You can input the router 1, router 2, router 3, router 4. We know that wireless is working on a physical and MAC address layer 1 and layer 2 only. Another is WDS if you want to connect multiple routers. This one, and the maximum of this one is 4. You just input the MAC address of the router 2, 3, 4, 5 and 7. Another feature is universal repeater. You can use this one as repeater. It's just rebroadcast the signal. Okay. Another, this one is the mode is BGN. This means that if this is the default, B means 802.11b and that speed is 11 Mbps, G is 54 and N is up to 300. If you select this one, these three standards supported, and if you want to select only N, you can select N, or B only, BG, or G only. It's up to you. And this is the SSID. If you want to change what you want, just change it. And this is the channel. This is 1 to 13, but the usual is 1, 6, 11. This is theoretically not overlapping. 1, 6, 11. On this side, this is advanced settings. Okay. Under this one, you can broadcast SSID. You can disable if you do not want to do broadcast, but if you use Nets Tumblr, you can see this broadcasting. If you want to disable this one, the default is broadcasting. If you want to minimize the power of the router, you can reduce it here. And this is too advanced if we're going to explain this one. Back to basic again. This is the basic explanation of the basic settings. What is inside the basic settings of 6226? Thank you. I hope you learn.